Welcome dear students again to another episode of Learning NPC. In this video we will learn how to determine limits in terms of scores which include the lowest given percentage of the cases. As you have seen in the previous video, we discussed about finding out the limits of a given highest given percentage of cases. Here we will see how to determine the same thing of the lowest given percentage. So as usual, we have taken an example with a question. So in our question, we have been asked to find out the limits of lowest 24% cases when the mean and SD are provided. Okay, so this is our NPC. Mean is 80, SD is 14, and we have to determine the limit of this score, the lowest 24%. Okay, you can understand this. No, this is the NPC. Here below mean we have the lower scores, and above mean we have the higher scores. So when we have to find out when we have to place the lowest 24% cases, we do it on the left side of the NPC. So this portion demarks the lowest 24% of the cases under this NPC. Okay, so this is the NPC depicting the question. Okay, now for solution, what we have written, the lowest 24% cases lie in the left half of the NPC, this one. The total percentage in the left half is 50%, like we did in the previous application also. Lowest the left half of an NPC consists of 50% of cases. Out of this is the lowest 24%. So how much is left? Here it is 26%. See, 50% minus 24% is 26% cases lie between mean and what? The lowest 24% cases. So between this and mean we have how much? 26% of cases. So the Z score of 26 or 26.11 percentage, again from NPC table. Okay, so we are determining it from mean. So from mean, 26% cases is this much, and for this 26% cases, 26, because we could not find exact 26% on the NPC table, we have taken 26.11 percentage for this one. Okay, this is, we cannot take 26, so we have taken 26.11 percentage, and the Z score of 26% or 26.11% from mean is what? This is our Z score for this. Okay, Z score is how much? 0.71 standard deviation. We have the Z score now. Now let us proceed further. After getting the Z score, again we do not need the Z score. What we need, when we are asked to find out the limit of any certain percentage, then we have to actually find out the X score, not the Z score. But for finding out the X score, we need to find out the Z score. So at present we have the Z score as Z score for us is now 0.71 standard deviation. Okay, now what we will do, lower limit of 26% cases from mean is what? How we can find out? X is equal to M plus Z into what? Standard deviation. Okay, so M, see, look here, this Z score is lying on the left side of the mean, so we have to put a minus on the Z score. Can you look? This is what? Minus 0.71 standard deviation. Why we have put this minus? Because Z score is lying to the left of the mean. So we have to put minus 0.71. So mean is 80 plus minus 0.71 into standard deviation is what? 40. Now 80 plus this will come to 9.94. Okay, and it becomes 80 minus 9.94, and it comes to how much? 80 minus 9.94 is 80.00 minus 9.94. It comes to 600 and 7. So we have 70.06. This is one of our limits. So for this one, for this Z score, our X score is what? 70.06. Fine. Now how we will write? Again, I'm rubbing this one. I'm cleaning this one to write so that I can write the further what we have to write. Okay. What we will write? The upper limit of lowest 24% cases is the lower limit of 26% cases from mean. See, I believe you can understand. That is, what was the score? 70.06. Again, the upper limit of lowest 24% cases. See, this is the lowest 24% cases, and this is the upper limit of this lowest 24% cases. The upper limit of lowest 24% cases and the lower limit of 26% cases from mean is same. Okay, this is the same point. Same point. This is the upper limit of lowest 24% cases and lower limit of 26% cases from mean. Okay, so we can take the same point. Okay, this is one of our limits. This is our upper limit. Our upper limit of 24% case, lowest 24% cases is what? This one, 70.06. Now, about the lower limit, what we will write? The lower limit of lowest 24% cases is the lowest score. Okay, so because this NPC is open, infinite, so what we write for the lowest, for the lower limit of lowest 24% cases, what we write? We write the lower limit of lowest 24% cases is the lowest score of the distribution. So another limit is this one. What? Lowest score. Lower limit is the lowest score of the distribution and upper limit is 70.06. Okay. So this is similar to the previous application that we did. There we were determining the limits of highest certain percentage, and here we are doing the same thing on the lower part, lowest 24%. Sometimes it will be lowest 8%, highest 2%, kind of. We have to determine the limits of different percentages, given percentages. The procedure will be same, but we have to be careful when putting this Z score. Whenever the Z score is below the mean, then we have to put a minus on the Z score. Okay. So please be careful about this. Then only the calculation, the X score will be correct. Okay. So this is what we did, is finding out the limits of scores which include the lowest given percentage of cases in a particular normal distribution. Okay. This is all about another application of NPC. Thank you very much for watching, and keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.